Capsule wardrobe, creating outfits with mix and match classic pieces. Capsule wardrobe, creating outfits with mix and match classic pieces. Fashion trends come and go, and the cost of keeping up can be astronomical. It's easy to get caught up in the hype and end up with a closet full of clothes but nothing to wear. That's where the capsule wardrobe comes in. A capsule wardrobe is a collection of classic, timeless pieces that never go out of style. By owning versatile pieces that mix and match effortlessly, you can achieve a chic and put-together look without breaking the bank. Here's how to create a capsule wardrobe that works for you. 1. Start with the basics. The foundation of any capsule wardrobe is the basics. These are the pieces that can be mixed and matched with everything else in your wardrobe. The basics include things like a plain white tee, a black turtleneck, a navy blazer, a little black dress, and a pair of blue jeans. These pieces are the building blocks of a great wardrobe and can be dressed up or down. 2. Choose items that you love. It's important to choose items that you love and feel comfortable wearing. It doesn't matter how trendy a piece is if it doesn't suit your style or flatter your body type. When creating your capsule wardrobe, choose pieces that make you feel confident and comfortable. When you love the items in your wardrobe, it's easier to mix and match and create outfits that make you feel great. 3. Stick to a color scheme. A capsule wardrobe is all about versatility, so it's essential to choose a color scheme that works for you. The easiest way to do this is to stick to neutral colors like black, white, gray, navy, and beige. By having a wardrobe that's predominantly made up of neutral colors, you can easily mix and match to create a variety of different outfits. 4. Choose pieces that are versatile. When creating your capsule wardrobe, it's essential to choose pieces that are versatile. This means choosing items that can be worn in different ways and for different occasions. For example, a black blazer can be worn to the office, but it can also be dressed down with a pair of jeans and sneakers. A white button-down shirt can be worn with a suit for a formal event, but it can also be worn with a pair of shorts for a casual day out. 5. Don't forget about accessories. Accessories can take an outfit from ordinary to extraordinary. When creating your capsule wardrobe, don't forget to include a few key accessories that can be mixed and matched with different outfits. This could include things like a statement necklace, a belt, a scarf, or a pair of sunglasses. These items can help change up a look and add some personality to your outfit. 6. Quality over quantity. When it comes to creating a capsule wardrobe, it's better to focus on quality over quantity. The idea is to have a few high-quality pieces that will last for years, rather than a closet full of cheap, fast fashion items that fall apart after a few wears. Invest in timeless pieces that are made from quality materials and that fit well. These items may be more expensive initially, but in the long run, they'll save you money and help reduce waste. 7. Regularly assess and update your wardrobe. Finally, it's important to regularly assess and update your capsule wardrobe. This means taking a look at your wardrobe every few months and figuring out what's working and what's not. Are there any items that you're not wearing? Do you need to replace anything that's worn out? Are there any pieces that you need to add to your wardrobe to make it more versatile? Regularly assessing your wardrobe will help you stay on track and ensure that you're always looking and feeling your best. Some example outfits you can create with a capsule wardrobe. 1. Casual and classic. A white tee, blue jeans, and black sneakers is a classic and casual